Hello everyone, welcome back. First of all, Happy New Year. I am very excited as I recently got my first CVE, that is CVE-2026-22241 with a CVSS score of 7.3, and it's a high severity remote code execution vulnerability. So it was discovered in open source course management platform, that is Open eClass. So in this video I will be walking you through the exact steps and the root cause of this vulnerability. So the overview is there was an unrestricted file upload which led to a total server compromise. We will be also looking at the exploit code that will take care of various steps like creating the malicious file, uploading it, and at the end we will get a direct web shell. Then after we execute some commands, then after that it will try to clean up the process and the web shell itself. So now let's see what was the vulnerability and where it was exactly found. So you can visit my blog over here, and here I have I wrote the blog for this CVE. So here if I zoom a little bit, and here first we need to understand what was the exact vulnerability and how we will exploit it. So the vulnerability was basically if we import a zip and the application was not performing any explicit check on the file contents inside the zip. So if we make any so as the application is a PHP web application, if we make a web shell, a simple web shell, and make it a zip over here, and if we upload it, the contents will be extracted in the /courses/theme data. So basically a theme import feature. So here these are the manual steps that we need to perform in order to exploit this vulnerability. So if we create a simple eval.php file with a shell exec, and if we make a zip, so basically after uploading the zip, and it will extract in the courses/theme data section of the file, then we can access it directly by providing cmd equals and the command we want to execute. So these are the manual steps, and there is also an automated exploit that I have in my GitHub. If you come here, here is the automated exploit, but before going into automated exploit, and so basically what this exploit does is it authenticates and it makes the zip folder, and it give you directly a web shell, and we can just run commands. Then after that if we type quit, it will make an attempt to delete the file and the web shell will be deleted. So before proceeding into this exploit, let me show you the exact source code, and the vulnerable version I have already hosting on my local instance in this IP 172.16.80.143. So first let me log in. So here first we have logged in, and now if I go to admin tools, here you can see this exact version is Open eClass 4.1, and we will see this themes option and this input feature basically. So this exact source code, this is the exact source code of that vulnerable instance. It is present in modules, admin, then themes option. So here, and here if we see in line number 80, first they will check, and they will receive a post, a method, and they will receive a file then it will check like if it's unzipped, then it will be like executing these logics. But the thing is that when it's a zip archive, first it will try to open it, and it will like directly extract it without checking any of the files inside the zip folder. So like if we see the patched version of this vulnerability, like of this file exactly, if I visit over here, so here you can see the patch vulnerability over here. So now they have like implemented the zip validation over here. So here like if we see in this exact thing, module admin slash themes option dot php. So now in like after like it has been opened, like first they will validate the files, and then they will extract the content. So this is the basically a patched version of this. So now let's see the main exploit. So like if you want to like exploit it manually, you are more than welcome. So now let's see the automation like exploit. So first I will go on this exploit, and this is on my GitHub, so you can visit it and you can have a look on this. So basically like as I said, like it will perform all the exploitation steps automatically. So first I will just clone this repo over here. Okay, so it is saying it is already exists, so click to yeah. Then I will go over here, and like if you want to check the exploit, like we can visit it over here. So basically like what it does, like it will first import some Python modules, then it will like execute a function, this function is responsible for deleting our web shell, and this execute command will basically like pass our the web shell commands into our like eval.php file, the web shell, and it will just run it. And this is for like uploading the like web shell. So first it will like authenticate our user, then it will try to get a session, then just it will try to upload our like eval.zip file, and these are the arguments. And yeah, so let's see it in action. So if I do here 2003 CVE-H, you can see these are the options. And yeah, so let's see our local version. This was our local instance. So let's see, yeah, okay, so let's see it over here. So now if I do python -t, then our URL -view admin, the username and password admin password, and if I hit enter, and it will be prompted as a shell. So here if you do who am I, you will get tub data ID. If I do php minus version, you will get the php version. So if we want to see like if you want to double confirm like where is the like the eval.php file, so like if we just ssh into this web server, ssh ubuntu, and here if we go to whtml, open eClass, and here if we go to courses, and if I do ls, and if I go to themes data ls, you can see our eval.php is our eval.php is present over here. If I do cat eval.php, you can see this is the exact PHP thing that we have uploaded by using our exploit over here, here in this malicious payload section. Now the thing is, like as this this is a web shell, and like if I do exit, like it will not exit, so we need to type a quit. So basically this will like delete our web shell. If I do a quit, and here you can see, like as it is saying that like it is removing backdoor. And if we double check into this our web application over here, now if I press ls, and you can see there is no like evil.php file over there. So that is the function of, like if we type here quit, this function will execute clean server, and it will basically do rm, and then our evil.php file will be removed from the web server. So yeah, so that's all for this a CVE thing and this exploit. And if I go over here, and if we head over to acknowledgement section, so these were the researchers that previously worked on this. So yeah, that was the reason that also inspired me, and this open and special thanks to open eClass for their like enhancing this platform security. Yeah, and these are the like references, like if you want to know more about the CVE. So that is basically it. And yeah, that's all. Like if we go over here, and yeah, so these are the like advisory link, and here you can see that exact advisory and the same POC, the manual like exploit. So that's all from my side, and if you learned something new, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Until then, stay curious, keep hacking, and I will see you on the next one.